Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how we can easily overlay video with a video, or how we can easily overlay video with a picture in CapCut. So what you want to do is just like you're gonna see the main menu here, and next to the stickers you're gonna see overlay. Click on the overlay and click add a overlay. Now you have simple way how you can overlay, and I have a I don't know, this video here.
Now. You threw everything in finding.
And that's our dog. Doggy, 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 cute doggy. Add. And as you can see, we have the dog with our man here. So what I can do is to move it, make it bigger with 2 fingers. And I have, now I will just make it like here. I will move it by holding the clip. And right now, look at this. I'm going to play the video. And doggy, doggy, doggy is here. Woo! Doggy, doggy, doggy. So this is how you can add the doggy, doggy, doggy to your video. Write me down below in comments if you like dogs. If you don't like dogs, you need to like dogs. So doggy, 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 doggy. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.